Hello and welcome to Promonoise. I'm your host Alex Morin, and boy am I thrilled today to bring to you a revolutionary product idea that is retro and so cool. It is from ETS Express, a drinkware company that is now proudly part of the PCNA family. So I decided the other day to order myself an h2go retro piece of drinkware, also known as style 878571. When it was delivered to my house, it came in this beautiful box. One color logo, very elegant and very simple decoration that tells a story of what this bottle actually is. I noticed something peculiar about this box though, and that is that the box has a hole in it. Ew, why did they do that? I'm going to tell you. Check out this hole over here. The purpose of this hole is so that you can quickly identify what color the bottle is. Let's say you're giving away bottles at a golf tournament and you've ordered 2 different color bottles. When people come to your giveaway table and they say, hey, I'll have the black bottle, or someone says, I'll have the blue bottle, you don't have to open the box up, take the bottle out, identify the color, put it back in, close it all up. All you have to do now is look in that hole, identify the blue color, and give your product away. How simple is that? What a great idea from ETS. Now, let's get into the product. So we're going to open this box over here, and the first thing you're going to notice as we're opening the box is that it comes in a poly plastic sleeve. Now, a lot of people will tell me, Alex, I don't know if I like that poly sleeve. It seems like it's not great for the environment. However, this particular sleeve is listed as being number 4 recyclable, and they encourage you to recycle the bag. And the reason they've really put it around the bottle is because when bottles get into transportation mode, they get moved around, they get knocked around, and that can compromise the logo that's on the bottle, or it can compromise the bottle itself. So congratulations for going that extra step and using a plastic bag that will actually protect this bottle. And look at it! Oh my gosh, look at it! This is 80 retros, my friend. Oh, I love it. It looks like one of those old soda bottles. They've actually added chrome to the top, chrome to the bottom to make it stand out and to make it punch. What a great job. And in addition to that, they've used a powder-coated finish. Now, why did they do that? Because right now, powder-coated finishing is cool, it's trendy, and it's a little bit different than your glossy finish or your matte finish. In fact, it's got a little bit of texture on it so that when you're on the golf course on a humid day or when you're in the gym, it's not going to slip right out of your hands. Fabulous, fabulous construction. So let's take a look at this lid. When I saw it, I'm like, oh my gosh, that reminds me of the top of a can of beer or a bottle of beer. So cool. But I was wondering, is that going to be a thin little lid that's going to actually allow it to leak? Is it going to keep my beverage hot, or is it going to keep it cold? And to my amazement, when I opened it up, holy smokes, I noticed that they did a full cork style stopper. How great is that? Now this is going to prevent my beverage from falling out and spilling all over the place, and it's also going to add a level so that my beverage stays hot or my beverage stays cold. Congratulations. Instead of going with a metal lid, they've actually rubberized it too, so it's extremely comfortable on my hands. It doesn't cut my hands, and if they're moist, it's easy to open this or take it off. Really, really good job on the lid. And the other thing about the bottle when you open it is you're going to notice that they've actually included care instructions on the inside. And I think that's a marvelous idea. When I get a bottle, now I can see what this bottle is all about, how many fluid ounces it is, and how I take care of it. So that's fabulous. Congratulations for doing that as well. Now I mentioned the capacity of this bottle. It is 20.9 fluid ounces, and to put that into some context, a regular can of Coke or beer is 12 ounces. So I could conceivably put 2 beers in here, almost 2 beers, and I totally should have done that before I started filming. Anyways, next time. But at 20.9 ounces, you've got a lot of fluid in there, and it will stay hot or it will stay cold depending on what you're putting in there. And how will we accomplish that? Well, the answer is that they've used 18-8 stainless steel. Do you want to know what that means? I'm going to tell you right now. 18-8 refers to the relationship between chrome and nickel, 18% chrome and 8% nickel. That combination and that ratio will prevent this bottle from corroding after prolonged usage. And that is the mark of an awesome bottle. So I'm so happy to see that designation on there. In addition, they've also lined it with copper. So this is copper lined. And let me tell you why that's special. Because copper lining is going to allow you to keep that beverage cold for up to 24 hours. Yes, that's right, 24 hours, or hot for up to 12 hours. In my experience of using these types of bottles, I have put hot tea in here, I have gone golfing, and after my 4-hour round is done, my tea is just as hot as when I put it in there. So I love these bottles. For all of those reasons, and the fact that I can one color logo this, I can foil stamp this, I can laser engrave it, I can put a full color process on here, I think it is one of the more marvelous bottles of this season. So on behalf of us at Promonoise, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, with your colleagues, with your customers, with anyone who might benefit from them. Also check us out at www.promonoise.com. And on behalf of all of us here, thank you for watching. Can't wait to show you our next product review. See ya!